Yeah, hey everyone, my name is Grigorii. I'm now working in Aurora Labs. Previously, I was busy involved in Aptos and Fuel ecosystem, build some TradeFi and DeFi apps, and doing my Web3 research. So yeah, for now, all of you who have a question why I need a blockchain and what's the reasons for me, and to answer to that, I will start from the scratch and make a step back to this morning. Uh, what do we see this morning when you wake up and go to Twitter? You see a lot of success tweet from the leader from the industry, the Aves, Sui, and all of them says, yeah, we have new TVL record, we have new milestone, we have billion user, and all of this. And so, question: raise your hand if you at least once a week thinking I should building something similar. I should build and create project which change the game. And yeah, this is my project will be the next unicorn. So yeah, very ambitious. That's cool. And I totally respect all this company because they have an incredibly difficult path to build this project and to be the industry leader. But to understanding their success, we need to see their path and check what happened and what stage are they have. And yeah, typically all Web3 project has a three stage. The first one is idea, and this is my favorite part because first of all, you don't need money for this stage. You create a notion, you collect a lot of ideas, you share it with friends, you discuss and check product hypotheses with venture capital, with other Web3 builders. And when you clearly understand what you want to do, you start to struggle with development. Because it doesn't matter what area of product you want to build. The DePIN, RWA, the DeFi, it's, all of this area has a similar tech stack. You're using interact with blockchain, with wallets, with bridges, pay fees, and all of this stuff. And only after development you start marketing, the very expensive and endless process. But I don't want to touch marketing today because to start marketing you should have an MVP or any yeah, any product to advertise. So yeah. Let's go to development. When you start thinking about how to develop a chain or product or the app, you always try to answer to the most common question. And first one, which blockchain I need to choose to launch a product? All of you has a lot of options. You can go to traditional way with Ethereum. You can go with some risky way with Solana. Or if you like casinos and you're crazy, you can go with Tron. And yeah, that's your choice. When you make decision about blockchain, after that you're going to thinking about UX and how to build the UX which will attract new people, because the current solution, it's not really attract Web2 audience. For example, my grandmother won't just send me $20 to Christmas, and she won't able and she don't want to figure out with cross-chain bridges, wallets, and all other crypto stuff. And yeah, the main question, how I can cover infrastructure, when I get money to pay developers for it. And I can try to answer the first question, and maybe it will be close and solve all other problems. Yeah, which blockchain to choose to launch a decentralized app? You can go with Ethereum, but you will face with too much competition because a lot of product already launched. You can go to Solana and face to kind of expensive infrastructure with problem with scalability because you cannot go to EVM to attract more user. I also already said if you're risky people and you're a crazy person, you're going to go to Tron. And or it can be a custom solution. You can create your own blockchain when you can set up a gas plan, when you can choose a base token, when you can do all what you want. And yeah, the main question now is how I can create my blockchain. Is it expensive or not? Is it how difficult? And yeah, we have two options to create a blockchain. First one, you can hire a team. You can run validators, node. You can yeah, find a team of developers who can do it. But you need a lot of money and unfortunately, I don't have 1 million with me, and all our developers are busy on hackathon. And yeah, we all that you have is second option, is use virtual chain network solution. And now we start entertainment part. If any one of you want to create a chain from your laptop or mobile right now, you can scan this QR code. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything. Yeah, you can do it from your phone, and yeah, it's will be spent 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and after this slide, you will go away with whole ecosystem on your phone, on your chain, with withdrawal function from Texas to your own blockchain, with your own cross-chain DEX, and a lot of other integration. So if you already scan, we can go, or I need to wait. Okay, seems already scan. So yeah, we start from set up the virtual chain, and what does it mean, virtual chain? Generally, virtual chain is just a fork of Aurora, but it's fully customizable for your needs, with gas token, with gas plan, with all permission, and yeah, our setup will start from permission. If you want to create a DeFi chain with open access to everyone developer who want to deploy a contract, deploy a token, you can choose a public permission. If you want to launch a RWA or gaming, you should choose a you can choose a permissioned version, because you will have a whitelist for developers who can deploy a contract to avoid the malicious contract, and to avoid the scam of your user. And after that, the base token. Base token can be any what you want. You can use Aurora, Near, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or you can use a stable coin as a base token to to create this, like a bank experience. When user don't need to have Ethereum or any other token to cover the fees, user can pay fees in USDT, and if he want to transfer money, he just pay less than 1 cent in USDC and forget about any other fees and the fees token. And yeah, my lovely feature is gas mechanics. In your chain, you decide who pay. If you want to make the way for your user easiest, you can just cover their expenses. For example, if someone from Web2 world come to you, all what he wants is just to make transaction. Don't want to think about fees and the token for it. So you can set up a custom gas plan when you can say, okay, for first 5 transactions per month will be free for user. I will cover it. After that, he will care about it. And why it's good? For example, if you're doing some Telegram app, you can invite people to your own blockchain and says, guys, it's 5 free transactions for you, and after that you can monetize this audience through the fee, because all the fees which you collect will going to you. And yeah, just some meme for marketing which represent our current market. If you're a founder and you have $500, you can go to agency to pay them for AMA session. You can buy Telegram bots to see every second message LVG go to market, and or you can cover more than 100,000 transactions for a user, and build the best user experience for them. In this moment, if you start creating your chain, you just need to click deploy your chain, and that's all. Your chain will be ready, and after that, we reach the file of the first milestone. It's your chain is already launched. I totally understand, and you will ask a question, what I need to do with my chain, because it's only blockchain. It's not doesn't mean any product, any value for user, and it's no any ecosystem. And that's problem what we want to solve. The integration, if you launched with Aurora, we already prepare for you or maybe already more ready-made integration with which you can integrate free and automatically. For example, on-ramp solution for your own blockchain, you can integrate it in 1 hour, and your user will have opportunity to top up your chain wallet via MasterCard or Visa. We also provide the Oracle if you want to build a lending or staking or any financial product to have a token pair and any price feed. When you deploy your blockchain, you instantly will have a block explorer to check all transaction and all all activity. We also provide the integration to intents. It's a cross-chain swap platform when you can access, and it means your blockchain will have access to cross-chain into swap with Bitcoin, Solana, Tron, and the most popular 14 chains, including ZK, Zcash, and Bear Chain or Ton. If you want to allocate it some million hamster combo to your chain, you can do it easily. And if you want to have a DEX on your blockchain, you can do it in 1 day, just via request. You request a DEX, and we deployed for you the True Solaris. It's DEX which already exists on Aurora, but you will have your own chain on this DEX. And at this point, you spend $0, and if you start creating blockchain, you already have 4 automatic integration, 200 virtual chain in ecosystem, 1,000 free transaction for a user covered by Aurora, 14 blockchains you can make cross-chain transaction with, and you spend $0 for it. If you don't have any integration already, what you want, we propose to use our marketplace with our partners. Our partners propose to all our ecosystem the discount for any services. For example, if you want to integrate the safe multisig, you can do it with a discount price and with any other partners. That question, what I feel in the air. I have blockchain, I have ecosystem, but I still don't understand why I need this. And what's the use case for a blockchain, my own blockchain, instead of use Ethereum, Polygon, or Arbitrum? It's easy. For example, it's a gaming. You can already launch a game on Telegram, and you have a million audience, but you cannot monetize it. And if you want to make some revenue from this audience, you can move there to your blockchain to earn fees from them. Or if you're going with DeFi, you can launch a launchpad for 200 virtual chain, and you will have user from the first day. If you want something built in RWA, you can use the near intent solution to cross-chain swapping the RWA token and the shares. If you want going with DePIN, it's also a solution for you, because you can sell compute or any other cloud services for your own token on your own blockchain. And if you go to VCs and say they have a token, they will ask about utility. This is a great utility what you can have. It's a fees token in your blockchain, and a lot of more different use cases. And some secret from me. If you have any idea how to use a virtual chain or what to build on virtual chain, today we have last day of applied for our incubator with NIR and the Lemnis Cap. So after that, you will have 3 months incubator with your virtual chain idea, with top mentors, and after that you can go to VCs with the Lemnis Cap and raise up to $1 million to your startup. And my favorite part, I already give you the tech stack and the solution, but you still have struggle to start something, and some insights and motivating to push you to start something today, not tomorrow. In 2024, over 5,000 Web3 projects launched, but less than 1% build their own chain. Maybe it's time to start to change the game, because how we see in the third point, industry leaders create their own chains to onboard more audience and give them new opportunities. It's Base, Sony, and Unichain by Uniswap, and a lot of other example of company which already start create their own chain to onboard users and propose them the custom solution, and to not be limited by Ethereum or any other chain setups. And yeah, less than 3% of Serbian population use a cryptocurrency. If you can propose them and if you can deliver to them the something comfortable and really useful product, you can earn more than 3 million people just from Serbia, because people here use fintech product, but still has a struggle to start using crypto. And yeah, thank you, Belgrade. I hope next year we will see the more boosts of companies who use virtual chain for their dApps. And yeah, yeah, my name is Grigorii. Yeah, if you want to reach out me, you can scan QR code and ask any question. And yeah, invite me to rakia, beer, or coffee. And I live here. And yeah, if you have any question, I will be happy to answer it. Yep.
Hi, thanks. It's interesting tech. So I was wondering how decentralized the infrastructure is, because I guess you mentioned you have 200 virtual chains now, and how can you make sure it's like it can scale to like 1,000 or even more, and like where it's actually running, like the where the validators are running, or anyone can join as a validator? It's kind of, or it's more like a closed system on some servers right now.
Yeah, that's a good question. We use the public RPC of NIR and the NIR node. So when you create a chain, the private key for this blockchain and yeah, all settings and all permission will transfer to you. And after that, it's hosted on NIR node and yeah, on public infrastructure. So the next one.
Yeah, question from me. Thanks for the presentation. You mentioned your solution is good for Telegram games, right? I'm curious, do you have integration with Telegram stars in order to buy like internal tokens by Telegram stars?
Not yet. Yeah, I also work on NIR Intense, and on NIR Intense we start integrating Ton, and hopefully it will be announced next week, maybe next month. But yeah, we still don't start to do something with Telegram because we don't support a Ton. But yeah, all things are changed, and yeah, who knows, maybe yeah, at summer we will promote this feature.
Okay, thanks.
So yeah, I think thank you. Yeah, that's all.